show off a little bit. So we traded NVIDIA and Tesla today, both opening range breakout with the help of Market Atlas.
Left, guys. So get ready to rumble.
AMD 235 is R3.
Tesla's looking like it's wants to head lower. Here we go. Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, ding. All right, AMD. Let's see what AMD is doing. Oh, Vero is also interesting.
Rocket Lab's taken off as they. I hate that pun, but there it is for you.
Tesla did a very nice pop. Tesla 442s. Oh, there you go. Boom.
Just got along some NVIDIA. So here we go on that pullback.
Oh, something's wrong. Let's try again.
Interesting. Let's see what Tesla is doing.
And take some profits here because this is an area where we might get some selling. Yeah, just what I suspected.
I'm gonna get some long on Tesla at 441.74. It's not a lot of Atlas, but it was a great pop-up. Put a stop loss below if he loses the VWAP. Vero is going up too. Vero looks like, ooh, it's breaking up the high of the day. Ooh, wow, look at Vero. Fvero. Should get back in there. All right.
Yeah, I'm a lot of NVIDIA. The rest of it, I'm glad I took profits because that made that a profitable trade, not as much as I'd hoped.
NVIDIA.
Might break out here.
NVIDIA 190, there's big order.
Yeah, still a big order there.
190 would be.
Yesterday's high is sort of sitting there as a blocker.
See Tesla.
And it's rejecting from R3. Market's selling off.
Let's see if Tesla can hold above the VWAP or not. All right, 444. All right, Tesla is going. Yeah, there is some 444. There's huge order there. Come on, Tesla, nice.
AMD is getting sold here.
I'm adding a little bit more on Tesla here. Let's see if you can. They took the asks to 445. See if you can actually go there. I'm still long on NVIDIA too. See, NVIDIA still has that 190.
Yeah, I'm out of NVIDIA. It kind of looks like a dog's breakfast right now.
It does, yeah. Shoes spice coming above the VWAP, huh? All right, let's see if Tesla. Oh, there you go. Nice. 444. There's a level in 444 on Tesla. Let's see if you can get there. They moved the orders at 445. Uh-huh. 444. Yeah, I'm still partialing some here at 444. It's a good profit. Let's see if I can get to 445 for a 5-minute range breakout. NVDA.
NVIDIA's back. Oh, look at Rocket Lab go. ASTS is going too. It's really hard to trade Rocket Lab. The spread on it's kind of ugly.
I'm getting out of Tesla. Tesla went back to my break-even point. Even though there's still orders up there, but it came back to my break-even point. So I'm getting out of it. I stopped out of it. I might get back in there if things... but I want to get it stuck to my stop loss at the break-even. All right, let's see if NVIDIA can go to 190. This big ask at 190. Very good, nice. Now I'm partialing here, 190, nice. Nice.
Tesla's going back up. I don't trust Tesla either.
I think it has a good chance to break out. But I just had a big position on NVIDIA, both on NVIDIA Tesla, so I just didn't want to have both. I think Tesla has a good chance to break to 444. Very nice. Yeah, Tesla is now break of 5 today.
Here we go. Just long some Tesla. It's going to go through this level here.
Oh, yeah, 444. He see the. I kind of chickened out a little bit too early, but I think it's going to break to 445. I think. It's the daily chart on it. Yeah, I think yesterday highs. Yeah, so there's big order at 445-ish. It doesn't matter anymore because I'm in NVDA.
Yeah, big order at 445 and 446. Book does look bullish.
Wow, Vero's. Keep going, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Tesla broke the high of the day.
Here we go. I'm just going to take a little off. Just a little bit.
Nice.
Should have added on that pullback.
Yeah, me, I wish I was not getting out. Wow,
There we go. This is looking good. Right up to yesterday's high right now on Tesla.
Yeah, beautiful. Oh, beautiful.
Yeah,
Such an
taking,
amazing
yeah,
Like,
just
it's
taking
not-
some off here. Peeling some off.
Wow.
Ooh, nice. Nice. I'm trading the 445 calls.
Lovely.
There we go. I'm going to $3 on them. Yes, baby. Give it to me, baby. Oh, look at that. Wow.
Wow. Shit. I wish I was still in there.
Bingo. Selling some more.
NVDA 190.
Yeah, I'm running out of options, as they say. It's at $4 now. Wow, what a move on these calls,
Wow.
and got in at just over $2, and they went to 4. And Q's and SPY are really are doing nothing right now, just throwing a bunch of wicks. Q's are really wicky. AMD seems to be trying to find a bottom here.
Did AMD sold off?
What's that?
Yeah, AMD sold off at the open. Yeah.
Yeah, AMD took a bit of a nosedive at the open.
Yeah, beautiful.
Wow. Tesla was awesome. What a great trade.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Q's are dropping.
So for me, it turned out to be a really good day. So I still have 2,000 shares of NVIDIA, and it was a really nice trade on Tesla as well. So I'm up so far about $10,000. That's really nice. See if NVIDIA can go to 191. That would be super nice.
Paris. Come on, Paris. I know you traded Tesla.
Yeah, very nice trade on Tesla. Very nice.
I love this now.
I love you, Tesla.
I'd say it myself, but I just don't get it. Don't get it the way Paris gets it. The intonation. Yeah, ASTS is and Rocket Lab, two space stocks that are just on fire here. Rocket Lab.
All right, NVIDIA is doing a consolidation now. It's back 190. I'm gonna add a little bit more on NVIDIA here. I'll bring my average. It's a little bit tricky, but I'll see if you can get a pullback or not. I've got to give back toward the half today. It's 920. Oh yeah, far from 920.
Well, SPY's Qs are selling off a bit here. This could be a little bit of a weird day. We do have a long weekend, so volume could sort of dry up a little bit here as we move forward into the day.
All right, let's see if NVIDIA can go back highs. Again, I'm long, guys. Oh, there you go. It's going up. Nice. Oh, beautiful. I'm partialing some here NVIDIA at 198.30. Let's see if you can go.
As long as some Rocket Lab through 96, I should say here. Ooh, baby, yes.
Wow, Rocket Lab.
See if we hit, trying to hit 97 on this. Here we go, here we go. Come on. Here we go, 97.
Wow, nice.
Ring the bell.
Now NVIDIA is breaking half the day. Atlas is still in short, is a little bit indecisive, but it's still 191. There's big order standing, so see if you can actually make it or not. Again, there is no guarantee that there is big order at 191 and Atlas is gonna go there. Absolutely no guarantee, but as long as the price action confirms and as long as you have a good entry, Rocket Lab might go to 100 today.
Okay, here we go. Rocket Lab, here we go. Yay. Peeling some more off here.
Nice. Very nice.
Oh, nice. Nice, Nate. Oh, nice. Get out the money, monkey. And Mara going up. Mara. Yeah, look at, yeah, more Riot's going up too, eh?
Wow, yeah.
And Mara's taken off here. Nice move through 11. So we like to see the money monkey. There goes AMD. Damn. I was gonna started looking at other stuff. I wish I'd have kept watching that. Fuck.
All right, so I think I'm gonna get stopped out on the NVIDIA. Even though NVIDIA has some orders up, but I might get stopped out because my break even is very close. Great trade on Rocket Lab, Brian.
Yeah, it went blasted off there, eh?
Nice 2% move on it.
See if we can get to 98. I think yeah, Gary already mentioned there's a big wall at 100, obviously. Yeah, these oh shit.
All right, so here we go. NVIDIA might go one more time. I'm adding a little bit of money on it and see if we can actually break the highs to 190 to 50. That was a nice bounce. Let's see if we can actually have the power to break 190.50 toward 191. Again, the 5 minutes is fairly bullish. Let's see what the daily chart look like. Yeah, daily chart has
AMD's got a big order at 233.
yeah. Again, the orders are really nice, standing up at 191. 190.50 as well, but
Can't we got to 97.99. Well, that wasn't cool.
you're still in the Rocket Lab, huh?
Just got a little bit left. I think I might end up selling it here.
ASTS is also, oh, there you go. NVIDIA is going to go for the high of the day. Let's see if 190.50 is really fighting back.
Oh, yeah, look at ASTS too, eh? Jeez. Space. Well, PLTR took a beating, took a licking and kept on ticking. PLTR's gone red on the day. Qs are at low of the pre-market. Watch out if we break that level, 624. You have to ask Peter if this qualifies as his mountain pass on Tesla.
All right.
Still some big orders up there on Tesla, 447, probably even like 450. Just struggling here at this R6 level.
Tesla's orders at 446, and if you zoom out, 447. It's kind of
Okay, I'm out of the rest of Rocket Lab. I've shorted a bit of Tesla. Gonna cover some here, just in case this pullback gets bought. Taking some money off the table. You're looking good, man. You're relaxed, chill.
I know. I bring the table up.
Just chilling out.
Just chilling, waiting for NVIDIA to break.
Here we go. Yeah, look at NVIDIA's looking like it's going to break out there.
Yeah, that would be nice. I'm doing a recording as well. I want to make some material for Money Show and for Education Center. That would be nice if this one breaks, because this is a really good example. Victoria kind of bored making money.
It's a tough life. There's no question. See if we can get see if NVIDIA can come down, break that 444. It looks like it's trying to hold here. Still got those big orders to the upside. So what the hell, peel some a little more off here.
I think I'm kind of lost hope in NVIDIA, honestly. I tried to go multiple times.
It's yeah. Wow, look at the Qs and SPY are selling off. We might go red on the SPY.
So I'm getting out of NVIDIA, guys. I'm all out of NVIDIA. So we never really made it. All right, I'm stop my recording as well. Yeah, so that was a good run. So I'm flat, guys, on everything. And yeah, it turned out to be $10,300.
Okay, where's the hedge wall today? The hedge wall's at 69.45 on the SPY, which is pretty close to the last yesterday's close. So watch for the SPY. If the SPY gets down to PDC, it could be a nice bounce there.
All right, so what did you do, Amen? Nice reversal on AMD.
Yeah, that AMD was nice.
No, I'm watching ASTS, but I didn't get a chance to jump in there. Let's see what ASTS is doing. The Atlas is some orders up toward 120. Yeah, ASTS is really nice, moving up 18%. This is the all-time high. Wow, yeah. Yeah, that's a very good trade. Your ticker doesn't show any orders. Django.
What?
Wow. Nice set. Beautiful. Say it is a funded account. Nice. Nice. Yeah, Django, I have my simulator. I'm getting the data here. Loads really nice. Try not to use the dark mode yet. I think we haven't really spent a lot of time on the dark mode of Trading Terminal, but soon we're gonna really put the dark mode as well. Or try to see a different browser. Maybe it's persistent or not. I don't know.
Okay, I'm covering covering the rest of this Tesla right here. We've lost the VWAP and the 9 EMA.
Yeah, everything is moving down.
The market's still rolling over here. Wow.
And guys, by the way, we have hotkeys right now in Trading Terminal. So if you go to the hotkeys, so next to it there's a button, so you can actually add the hotkeys that you want.
Oh, no bounce on the SPY at PDC. That was kind of surprising. That was a nice short on opportunity on Tesla. Anybody take that? I don't think that was a mountain pass as Peter would define it, but still,
Wow, SPY went red.
yeah.
These are really,
SPY didn't even bounce at PDC. Qs are going to go red here. Yeah, look at your Nvidia. It's a good thing you got out of it. Nice, NA, way to go. Yeah, it really, R6 was the sweet entry, that's for sure.
wow, things are really rolling
Okay,
over.
we got to bounce here on Qs at PDC. Rocket Lab coming back up. Wood 920.
Wow, PLTR is also setting up really bad.
Yeah, PLTR went red on the day. Don't see that very often.
Wow, NVIDIA is bouncing. Something's really bouncing quickly.
Yeah, we're getting a big bounce on everything here. SPY's gone back green. So we just had to get to we just had to get down to the for the Qs to go to the to PDC. VC. Tesla's still dropping. Oh man.
Nice.
Nice, Edward. Good. It's always good to be patient. Get your entry where you want it. Minimize your risk of loss.
ASTS broke to 120. That's very nice. Yeah, this one is really, really strong. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, low is up 5%. It's great. All right. So, what should we do, Brian? We made our money.
We've made our money, and
Go to bed.
look at Tesla. I should have stuck with that. Wish I'd had more options on that.
ASTS.
Wow, made money going up on Tesla and made it going down. Market really bounced back. Wow, the Qs just bounced right off of PDC. Amazing. SPY and Qs pretty much mimic each other. Uh, Meta. Yeah, Meta. Wow, Meta's moving up, eh? It's really gotten beat up. Meta, Microsoft. Riot's looking it's high of day right now. I think it's going to push to 19. So orders at 19. Nice. You could even sell some put. Hey, again, I'm stopped out at 52. So 8-cent loss. Market's rolling over again. I think that's not helping this trade. Still
So
think it might go to 19. Depends what the markets are going to do here. Looks like we've bounced again off PDC, but Qs aren't looking very strong here. Ooh, Tesla. Look at Tesla drop. Damn.
all right, what a great Friday.
Yeah, Qs are trying to stay red on the day.
Wow, Aria SMCI, nice. What does SMCI do? Wow, 10% off. SMCI got destroyed in the last couple of weeks.
Yeah, SMCI has been really getting rocked.
It's now bouncing back, but it's just not great. AMD's a mess. NVIDIA is now lost.
Yeah, Rocket. Yeah, Rocket Lab's kind of messy too. I think we're going to go red on the SPY here, or the Qs. Here we go. We're going to go red. Bouncing again, trying to hold. SPY's right at PDC as well. There we go. We've gone red on the day on the Qs.
IWM is still holding.
Yeah, they're really trying to hold here, but it just feels like nobody's buying today. I'm short the SPY right now. Let's see if we break down here. Qs are sinking more here. Tesla looks like it's going to go red on the day. Oh, there go the Qs.
Tesla's gonna go
All right.
red.
Just I'm going to cover some of this short right now.
All right. Tesla is interestingly going short red. Right.
I'm just trading the 692 SPY puts. Woo, here we go. Wow. That's what we want to see. I knew that was coming, this flush. There was just no buyers. Every time I tried to rally, you could just see the little rallies fail. Yeah, I know. Stupid riot.
What are you trading, Brian? Riot?
I said on this pullback on Riot after it sort of broke out around 10:10. I said you should take it long for a run to 19. Just pulled back long enough to stop me out. But I had my stop in mind, so I had to honor that. Yeah, it's going to go to 19 now. All right, here we go. We're getting a bounce on the SPY and the Qs. The Qs are bouncing right at yesterday's low. So got a really nice short on that SPY trade. Thank you very much,
Right. Tesla is going
Mr.
down.
Mark.
Yeah,
Thank you very much, Mr. Market.
Maybe it's reversal on
Yeah,
Tesla.
look at Tesla. Tesla's going red. Can you believe that?
Yeah, it's crazy. Maybe at S3 we can get a reversal on it.
I didn't even understand why it was going up, but Tesla is gonna bounce here. It's gonna bounce off PDC.
I want something lower.
Okay, markets are bouncing. There's a big order on Tesla at 438. It's gonna go there. Once it clears that, could be good for a long.
SPY bouncing.
Oh, shit.
I would have taken
See
it
ya.
long on Tesla at S3 437.
I
But it's
knew
not
it. I
here
knew it
now.
was going to bounce there. Didn't quite get to where I wanted it though. It didn't quite get to that 438. Yeah, look at the markets are bouncing. Q's bounced right off of yesterday's low. Ooh, look at that drop on Tesla. Came down, tried to grab those orders.
Wow. Yeah. They took the 438 as well. It's gonna go lower.
Yeah, still has more downside. Wow, down to S3 and yesterday's low right there.
Wow. Yeah. Now it's three. I don't know. I was thinking of taking S3, but now I'm thinking
I
maybe
don't know.
S4 is really setting off. Maybe at S4 I take the long.
What a drop on that. Wow, that bounce did not they nobody came into that.
Wow.
There's now a big order at 435. I think I had this shorted.
So S3 is pivot points, Tony. Camarilla pivot points.
All right, well, no trades for me now. Got out of that spy short. This has been a good day.
Yeah, it was great.
Nobody loves Tesla now. Everybody loved Tesla for the first 20 minutes.
Except Paris.
Yeah, well, first 20 minutes was I got a nice run on that up, and then yeah, then it kind of double topped. I'm curious to know if Peter took this trade. This is his setup, although he doesn't like these until later in the day. But this was a really nice double top on Tesla.
SXL is sitting down. Yeah, Tesla is really setting off. I mean, now 436 is an order. I don't want to take it long now. S4 would be interesting if you can get to S4.
Yeah, maybe this pullback was a higher low.
What is Peter ranting about? Carlos and Peter are so funny in YouTube. They trade well, they joke, they talk about politics, they talk about conspiracy theory. YouTube show is so fun.
And nothing else to do. They're getting tons of snow back there.
In Ottawa, is it snowing?
Yeah, Ottawa, Toronto, Montreal, they're all getting like feet of snow. Or
Yeah, remember, guys,
millimeters, I
Monday is a
guess it is.
holiday. Is a federal holiday. Market is closed. Monday, June
Monday is a
15th,
holiday.
it's Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
Wow, SPY and Qs are heading lower. Qs can't aren't holding here. Interesting.
That would be a great trade. Tesla at S4 if you get there, 435. I think we're gonna get there. It should be very. All right. So, any question, guys, about the trades that we did today?
SPY is still trying to hold this here, but I don't know. It just feels like we don't have any buyers, no enthusiastic buyers, and of course it's Friday going into a long weekend, so it's just more profit takers today. It feels like.
Partials are 10%. 10% of shares. Lucas Trading. So Simone, yeah, Tesla was very easy. It's just a 1 minute opening range breakout. Obviously, so opened very strong. So we had this level, we had this level, and we had the market atlas, which is the most important thing. I recorded this today, so I can actually show it to you because I'm planning to create more material for education center at my conference in Vegas. So I do actually have the recording of Atlas. We're going to build the Atlas replay too, so you can actually replay it. But essentially, seeing these big orders stacking up. So really easy. Like most of my trades are pretty much like that, like opening range breakout and just looking at the market atlas. Here you can see my screen. Let me see if it's still processing already. So yeah, I can see my screen. Okay. Let's see, maybe faster. Let's go like 2 times faster. Uh, so that's 1034. What is this one? What happened at the open? Oh, sorry, that's the wrong clock. Uh, so let's see a little bit faster. Here it is, like you see it before the market open. This is the NVDA. So what I'm looking at here is that the Tesla, really nice. And then I look at the Tesla here. Let me change my Atlas. So here's my Atlas. So you see the big order at 442. So now I'm keeping an eye on it. So again, what I see right now here is a very, I check the daily chart quickly. So okay, this is a very bullish candlestick, and now I'm checking the Atlas. See the 443 is the order sitting up there. So that's my thought process. And I say, okay, if I go long here and put a stop loss below the VWAP, that's a good risk to reward because I can get 444, 443. Do you see that, guys? I'm sharing my screen. This is a recording of today. So now I went long, knowing that I can have a really good risk. And then we have these really beautiful levels up there. So again, I'm looking at the pattern and I'm looking at the market atlas at the same time. So again, I'm zooming out, I'm adjusting my atlas a little bit to see exactly what's happening. There's not a lot of orders down here, but there's a lot of orders sitting up there. I quickly check the AMD. And now go back. And now I'm checking NVIDIA as well. So the same thing on NVIDIA. So now at the same time, I'm looking at atlas of both NVIDIA and Tesla. So same trade. So I'm, it's, I have my uncertainty. What if it really drops? See, now this is a good sign. It pops up, break the high of the day, and it's holding. See, the pullbacks are being bought back up. I'm checking my atlas again. 444 is there. So now I'm in the profit, so I'm in a really good situation. So 444, 445, the orders are going up, and I added more, I see, okay, this might go. This is a really nice breakout. Now checking at 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is getting bullish and bullish. This is a very bullish candle at 5 minutes. So these are all my thought process. And again, this is a 2 times the speed. So, and now I have this level that I told you in the pre-market. So there's a level here, and then there's another one up there too. So the orders at 445 is getting ready, still going up. 444 is here. So I'm making higher and higher and higher low in 1 minute. That's pretty good. So now I started partially some here. That's my thought process. Pretty easy. It's really easy. Like yesterday was the same thing. Today, I think Tuesday is going to be the same thing. So I'm going to have the recording. Yesterday also have recording. So I'm going to, make a nicer recap. There's a lot of recaps that we have on education. They're very similar to that. So now that was the problem on Tesla. So it just dropped. So I got to stop that because this is my, so this is, when I added, this became my break even. Originally, my stop loss was below the VWAP. If I wasn't adding, I would have still room to hold it. But because I added, I got to stop that one. And I regret that because it does come back up significantly. But it is what it is. All right, so Tesla is going to fight in the bottom.
Maybe we're going to get a bounce here. Where's the buying brigade when you need them? Look at that. Every little bounce gets bought, it gets sold into. Relentless selling. There is a big sort of straddle right here on the SPX. So I'm be surprised if maybe they'll try to hold it here. Maybe.
Show off a little bit. So we traded NVIDIA and Tesla today, both opening range breakout with the help of Market Atlas. That I think is absolutely necessary for people to have. And it was pretty easy. I also did the recording, so I'm going to do a recap later how we traded. So essentially opening range breakout. So really nice 1 minute, stay above the VWAP, we go long, breakout, and we partial. I added twice. One time, for the break of high of the day, the last time that I added didn't work out and it came down. I got to stop that. Same as Tesla. Again, I have the recording. I'm going to post a recap today. So very strong move, 1 minute opening range break up. I went long, put a stop loss below the VWAP, added on the way up, and then partial for the break of 444. I got to stop out. It did came back up, ripped toward the 447, but I missed this spot. But Paris did a really nice trade, exactly like this trade. And then added here. Brian also took this other trade through 430 calls, I think. So. Or 435 calls. Yeah. Yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, other than that, I think Tesla is setting off. Maybe at S4 could be a long. Sorry, I'm trying to get. Maybe I can get a long at S4 at 435. So the Atlas 435 is really big. So maybe we get there. And this is a trade that